Welcome students. Today we are going to study about Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. Through these two reactions we can make haloalkanes. In Finkelstein reaction, halide exchange method is used, as well as in Schwarz reaction also halide exchange method is used. What is the trick behind it? See, how are you? I am fine. So what you will remember? Fine. F in Finkelstein reaction, iodoalkane is formed. In Finkelstein reaction, iodoalkane is formed with the help of sodium iodide. है ना? In Finkelstein reaction, iodoalkane is formed by using sodium iodide. This you can pronounce it as fine. है ना? और दूसरा है आपका SFAGF. SF means in Schwarz reaction, fluoroalkane is formed by using AgF or antimony fluorides. So here is the reaction. Used for preparation of iodoalkanes, which cannot be produced by simple halogenation of alkane. So here is the reaction. What we do here, we take any Rx plus NaI. What we are getting? Iodoalkane. How we will be getting iodoalkane? See here, NaX will remove, Ri plus NaX. Suppose we have taken here RCH2Cl plus sodium iodide in presence of acetone, and when it is heated, acetone, and when this reaction is heated, we will be getting NaCl प्लस NaCl अलग निकाल दीजिए. अब क्या बचा आपके पास? RCH2 और I. कैसे हुआ बेटा? देखो ये इधर, दिस बॉन्ड विल ब्रेक हेयर और क्या मिलेगा आपको? RCH2 प्लस Cl माइनस, और यहाँ क्या मिलेगा आपको? Na प्लस I माइनस. तो ये दोनों कंपाउंड बना लेंगे और RCH2I एक अपना अलग कंपाउंड बना लेगा. See, this is the way we will be getting the product. Now Schwarz reaction. See what is the difference I am also writing. Used for preparation of fluoroalkanes, है ना? SF fluoroalkane. और इसमें भी बेटा क्या होगा? सेम इज हियर, Rx प्लस AgF. What it will give you? Agx will remove and you will be getting RF plus Agx you will be getting here. And what we can take here? Chloro compounds, RCH2Cl plus AgF. AgCl will remove from here, AgCl, और क्या मिलेगा आपके पास? RCH2F. Both reactions are similar, What is the difference? In Schwarz, F is formed, fluorine is formed, fluoroiodine. See here. Fine. How are you? I am fine. Fi. Fi means in Finkelstein reaction, iodoalkane is formed by using NaI, SF, AgF. In Schwarz reaction, fluoroalkane is formed by using AgF or any antimony fluoride. So, thank you for watching this video.